Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Khalid Masood Kareem. In this weekly video tutorial, I will share technical aspects of top volume leaders of the Karachi Stock Exchange. The purpose of this video is only for showing technical aspects and techniques. It is not a recommendation to buy or sell. The Karachi Stock Exchange 100 Index closed at 43,417 level on December 24, 2020. The weekly closing is slightly below the projected weekly pivot level of 43,422 level. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 45,482 and 42,547 respectively. Technically, the formation a hanging man candle, which is contained within the body of last week candle, is not an encouraging development for the bulls. The World Call Telecom closed at 1.12 level on December 24, 2020. The closing is below the weekly pivot level of 1.14. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 1.50 and 1.02. The technical indicators are suggesting an upside movement in making. The TRG had closed at 78.42 level on December 24, 2020. The closing is above the weekly pivot level of 75.77. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 82.50 and 70.10 respectively. Technically, the stock is in resting phase. The Unity Foods has closed at 28.51 level on December 24, 2020. The closing is above the weekly pivot level of 27.88. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 30.00 and 26.22 respectively. Technically, the stock may remain in sideways mode. The PRL closed at 20.80 level on December 24, 2020. The closing is above the weekly pivot level of 20.72. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 25.50 and 17.86 respectively. Technically, the stock is contained within a triangular pattern. It will remain sideways as long as it trades within this triangle. The ICIBL has closed at 2.69 level on December 24, 2020. The closing is below the weekly pivot level of 2.92. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 4.00 and 2.11 respectively. Technically, the Robocunny indicator is showing failure swing. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.